Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat, ako si Godfrey Quezon and this is my devotion for today, April 19. And ang topic po natin for today is paano makaalis sa pagiging stagnant Christian or lukewarm Christian. So, ano po ba yung pagiging stagnant Christian? So, being filled with the Holy Spirit refers to an event subsequent conversion where a believer experiences a fresh empowerment from the Holy Spirit. This may lead to the greater love for God, increased victory over sin, boundless in ministry, a boldness in ministry, and sometimes the receiving of new spiritual gifts. While every believer has the Holy Spirit from the moment of salvation, the feeling of the Spirit is something we're commanded to continually seek. It's not about getting more of the Spirit, but the Spirit getting more of us. So, ano po ba yung ibig sabihin nito ng stagnant Christian and belief natin? So, of course, tayo po nung in-accept na po natin ang ating Panginoon sa Kristo, doon na po tayo nagkakaroon ng blessing ng Holy Spirit. Pero of course, kaya nga palang explanation ni Pastor Russell na kapag tumatagal, of course na mawala pa yung init natin sa ating Panginoon. Hindi man porket ibig sabihin po nun is hindi na tayo na-hold ng Holy Spirit, kundi dapat of course ibigay pa po natin yung ating sarili sa Holy Spirit and of course kay God. Diba? Kasi paano tayo paano po tayo lalakas pa po lalo kung hindi po natin ibibigay ang ating sarili. Of course, kailangan po mag-effort tayo and talagang tatanggapin natin buong puso yung Holy Spirit sa atin kasi hindi lang naman po pwede na yung Panginoon lang po yung papakidulsin natin. Of course, hindi. Kailangan tayo rin yung nasa receiving end is tayo rin yung magkusa, tayo rin yung tumanggap, yung openly na tumanggap ng blessing po ng ating Panginoon. So, teaching po natin for today is the Spirit gives us a spiritual breakthrough. So, sabihin po nun, Holy Spirit po is sila po yung nagbibigay po tayo spiritual breakthrough. Ibig sabihin yung new experiences. Diba? Dahil kung mas mapapalapit po lalo sa ating Panginoon, mas ma-realize mo po kung ano po yung mensahe ng Biblia or mensahe ng ating Panginoon talaga sa atin. So, second teaching is Spirit guides us to become more like Jesus. Of course, accept po natin ng ating Panginoon. Mas magiging Christ-like pa po tayo. And mas lalo po natin gagalingan and i-accept pa po ang ating Panginoong Jesus Cristo. Third teaching or last teaching is the Spirit leads us to a greater, higher, and deeper love and commitment to God. So, ayun lang po. Ako si Godfrey Quezon. And this is my devotion for today, April 19. Sana po ay marami kayong tulan. Ayun lang po.